From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with dry skin and a scratchy throat? What if I told you there's a solution that can transform your bedroom into a haven of comfort and relaxation, introducing the humidifiers for large room home bedroom by Onovos. This top-rated humidifier has been a game-changer for many, and it's no surprise that it's a bestseller, with countless customers swearing by its effectiveness. One of the standout benefits of this humidifier is its ability to produce a soothing mist that fills the air, creating a sense of calm and serenity. You can literally feel the cool mist on your skin as you breathe in, and the sound of gentle humming is almost therapeutic. The texture of the air changes, becoming softer and more gentle, making it perfect for a restful night's sleep. Another benefit is the significant reduction in congestion and coughing. You can feel the difference in your sinuses as the air is filled with moisture, and the result is a more energized and refreshed you in the morning. In real-life use, this humidifier has proven to be a lifesaver during the dry winter months, and it's also perfect for families with young children, as it helps to alleviate cold and flu symptoms, making it a must-have for any home. And the best part is that it's highly rated and well-reviewed by many satisfied customers. Overall, the humidifiers for large room home bedroom by Onovos is a superior choice compared to others on the market. Its ability to provide a comfortable and healthy environment makes it an essential investment for anyone looking to improve their quality of life, so why not give it a try and experience the difference for yourself? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.